I'm sexy and everyone knows it. Don't call me a princess, call me the boss. I thank God every day for my life, and you would too.
I'm smart, sexy, and I'm confident. Of course people are gonna talk about me.
Can I please have all my fours?
Go fish.
Can I please have a four? So now I'm just out for.
But just get it.
You want bigger teeth than Aaliyah.
But make it say that.
You know, say Aaliyah don't pay back $2,000 what she owe me?
$2,000? Well, that $2,000 for. I'm not trust how that cent.
You know, say I'm gonna get it back though? I'm gonna get back my money. I'm gonna get back my money.
So what she want by so?
She buy.
Can I get $20, please? Thank you. Can I get $100 for about swap? Thank you. Can I get some money to buy some party? After this can buy a party, I suppose I put tax on party.
Hold on to the birds and about a Then I don't know.
Mrs. Fricassin, you see? You think you alone? But make sure not go look at husband and leave me alone. She's married. Duh. What you chat say? Mrs. Fricassin. Mrs. means she's married. What? I'm blind? Anyways, let's get this assignment started. What to do again? Pollution and its effects on the environment. Well, that's what bees love to do. That's pollination. Pollution, Chanel. You're lucky my brain asleep now. It ever wake it? I'll put this off till tomorrow. The assignment due tomorrow. I can't bother now. So for do a presentation or a... Me don't know. Well, think. Okay. Those trainers. Please don't let me do that again. Integrated science is not my best subject, so we think we're gonna need to learn. Me know somebody who good in integrated science. Hey guys. No, no, no. Hell no. I can't deal with Mya.
How are you? You're bright.
Tanya, your man never tells you don't let dog in the house. Special strays.
You have something to say to my face now. You're bright and face, I think. Don't talk to me. Leave me alone. Excuse. Don't put me on my face. You're undirty.
Go wash your hands. Go wash your face.
Don't wash my face. Me use. Don't touch me. Better than you.
We can't deal with Mya. She have a 97 average in integrated science. We need her. Either Mya or the other girl. Remember she?
Here's your promise, though. Take contact with me.
Say Aaliyah,
No, I'm not here.
tell her say me dey look for you.
Thanks, I'm fifth line.
Where you talk about?
The fifth line, I promise me if you do this.
See, me look like an ATM machine.
Shadae, Aaliyah.
More about money.
Yeah, should I give you fifth line?
Hey, why did Energize the Bunny go to jail?
Because he hopped past the hopping limit.
No.
Because he was wearing no clothes.
No, because he was trying with 10 coats of battery.
What not do it here? Is that a one bag of rubbish?
At least you don't smell like rubbish.
That's the way I think.
So, waiting.
Did I expect this from you? Here.
You delete everything.
Exactly. Do it over.
You're not the boss of me.
I'm group leader and
Group leader? I will make you group leader.
Shannon said me join the group, may I get to be group leader.
Say what?
Now can we get back to work? Thank you.
Thank you. Me can't take her. Stop cussing Mya now. She really get on my skin.
Look on a big picture, maybe get 100.
Me never get 100 nothing. She really get on my nerves.
Just bear it me now, we're so finished.
Alright. We send you to forget food. Where is it?
Oh, that me I try remember.
Send a can of food for we.
No. But me tell you something, nobody can cook stupid like Chef Harry. Yum 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 yum.
Since you know about nothing food for eat, can get my money.
Let me in the joke now, what's so funny? Let's spin it down.
But what?
Yeah, let's spin it down.
Just spend off my money.
Yeah, man, just said it a while ago. You forgot to check your ears, I mean.
100% back again. 100% back again. 100% back again. 100% back again. 100%.
I'm gonna get rid of the PowerPoint presentation segment.
But that's my part.
Even better.
You can't get rid of my PowerPoint presentation. I worked really hard on it.
Osh.
But make you don't get rid of something else.
You mad? I'm working so hard on all of them.
Oh, so it's fair for you to get rid of my work.
Pretty much.
Me knock you out to know.
Yes, Mrs. Tracy. Knock me out with your ball.
Come on, girls. Go, we don't need it here.
Excuse me?
Your excuse?
I carry this team.
Carry this team. Get out.
Fine.
Mya staying?
No, I go leave.
Look here, girls. You're not gonna work on this Yeah, you hear me? Okay, let's get to work.
we're done.
Yes! Angel, here I come!
Come, make we just print this so we can go home.
Okay. Jeez,
Awa!
the battery for the laptop dead.
You did save it, right?
I don't much just gonna do. I forgot to do everything over again.
10 hours of this again. Later. Alright then, take it zero when you come school tomorrow.
You're not going to see me tomorrow at school.
True, that's go too long. Your mother will cook?
No.
Later.
You really remember do this all by myself?
That's the plan.
Watch me, Aaliyah, when I come for school tomorrow.
I should remember run so fast.
Watch me and I go knock her, I go choke her, I go. My ear look pretty though, my ear look pretty. Is Aaliyah?
No, I'm not see her.
Watch me, I kill her, you know, like she made me run yesterday. I don't want my money no more, I just want to kill her.
More and kill her too.
I have a plan, say in.
And something for kill Aaliyah?
Yep.
Alright then.
So how was the project? How much I get?
I don't want to talk about that. Get in line. Hey guys. Little girl, climb ladder. Move. Where you are? Now. Shadae, everybody. No.
Frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. So me we run where anybody. No boy no better than we.
Beat up Aaliyah, man.
Yeah.
Next time on the Real Jamaican Girls.
You know somebody who can be a dance partner? You know.
Shante?
How are this?
That's my lucky shirt.
What's so lucky about this?
My lucky shirt.
Wear it and you'll see. Nobody singing at this. Fine. Okay. Let me see. Lucky